G'day, this is Grant from Aircon Solutions, and today I'm going to go through and do a video on how to set up a plan or schedule on the MyAir5 or MyPlace system. Now it's the same for both your touch panel and for your phone. You're able to set up schedules on both devices, so I'll be able to show you those as well. So let's get into it. So on the touch panel, we go on the main page. We actually want to set up the scenario of what it's going to look like as a schedule. So we need to ask what zones do you want to have on. So we go through and you set up the scenario. So for this example, we'll just do a morning schedule. You know, we want to turn on the bathroom, we want to turn the master and the ensuite on, and the kids' rooms warm up a little bit in the morning. All right. So all the different rooms. You set the mode for heating, your fan speed selection, all these first two pages need to be set up for what you're after. So we turn the system on, then we can go to the third one, which is scheduling. Now we can add a new plan, so we push add. So what this has done is captured the data from the first two pages. So the system is on, the mode is in heating, the fan is in high, and we're asking for 21 degrees. Then it says the zones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are on, with zone 4, the asterisk on it is giving me it's the my zone. Then we go through, we set a time, so we start at 6 a.m. and we want to turn off at 9 a.m. when we leave in the morning. We can set what days we want to have that running for. So we do it Monday to Friday. Then we can name it to whatever you want to name it. So so we call it mornings. Okay. And then we push save. So now we've got mornings. See how we've got a schedule here or a plan that's not highlighted in blue? That means it's disabled. The one in blue means it's enabled and it's going to work. We can tap on that. If we want to modify, we can do some modifications. We're not able to modify anything that's in this square here. That there means we have to reset up what that scenario looks like. But we can modify the times, what days you want it to working, and whether or not you want to have it on. So if you want to disable it, if you want to go away on holiday or it's become summertime, you don't want the heater to work in the morning, you just you change it to disable and you save. Or if you come home and you want to run that schedule, you can just go to that schedule and push run now, and it will change all the settings on all the different zones to what you've set up. So if we have all these off, you go back to that schedule and you push run now, it will now reactivate these zones and turn these zones back on again. Yeah. There we go, just did it. If you're not happy with it at all, you can just delete it. Push the rubbish can, delete, schedule's gone. Thank you for watching. We invite you to follow us and also check out our online stores.